accounts and we're going to EOS mainnet. We will enter our private key, and then we'll go back to accounts, we'll go back to EOS mainnet, add the key again, and here we go, we've got active, and as you can see, our EOS is in there. And then the next thing we do is we'll go to the eosauthority.com page, and as you can see, my the EOS used for the tutorial has come. I'm also going to encourage you lot to bookmark eosauthority.com, and from here you go to wallet, and this bit's really important. You select add account, so you can view any account you want through the public explorer. However, you won't be able to do anything with it until you sign it through with your scatter. And as you can see, I'm all logged in. These are the account security settings. I've got full access to the dashboard, and you've got full access to your EOS account.